Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the setup and installation of the filter in Daikin MC70L VM. So let's get started. Alright, so if you buy a new box, it comes with this pleated filter, and it's in this plastic bag, so you need to gently unpack it. It looks like this. Okay, but at the moment put it somewhere else because I need to show you how to open it and get inside. So basically you hold it here, and this here are the buttons, so you're pressing the button on both sides, move like this, and take the front cover. So this is the front cover of the filter of the air purifier. Okay, so inside you get the replacement filters for additional units, and to get inside, this is called the unit 1. It has this pre-filter, so if you want to remove this pre-filter for cleaning with vacuum, you just use it and you can squeeze it and remove just like this. However, to install this pleated filter you need to go deeper. So you lock here and pull. It's called the unit number 1. It looks like this. Okay, and you put it somewhere here, for example. Okay, and then we got this deodorizing unit, and to remove it you need to also grab it in here where is the pull signature, and both hands hold and pull gently and put on a flat surface. And if you have this, the rule is that white side should be front of you, so this blue side goes to them, and here you put this in this filter guide. Here and here you should go under this let's call it guides, here and here, and spread it across the surface. And on the left and right side you get these tiny holes, and you need to press these holes into this plastic stuff. So a little bit of fun, but you need to do this. Okay, all right. Okay, let's move it a little bit here, but the final we do at the end. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5th. All right, so we get now this installed. Let's move it to be in a constant gaps, so to be in a constant way like this. You can move it left, right, to be right. I think it's now it's okay. So now we are do everything in an opposite order. So put down it here, press, just make sure that it fits. Okay, then we take the unit number 1, put it here. Sorry. Okay, this time. So unit number 1. Okay, everything holds, should click. If you are not sure it clicks, just make sure again. Okay, now it holds. It seems to be fine. And the last one is the front cover. So we start from the top like this and press down. All right, and this is everything that you need to know about this Daikin MC70L VM Air Purifier. So if you like this video, please give me a thumb up or subscribe our channel. It was BB Walker. See you later.